Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this image and they wanted to get rid of the white background. I think it's a JPEG. It's actually probably a bitmap. But Corel can't put and he also wants to put a border around it. You can't do anything with it till you trace it, till you converted it to a real bitmap. So we're going to go to Bitmap, resample, and we're going to change it to 300. Then we're going to, and I'm going to reduce this guy by quite a bit. It's going to help Corel work. I'm going to go to Corel or Bitmap, convert to Bitmap, and we're going to change it to, I think he's going to print it, so we're going to go CMYK. Then we're going to go to Trace Bitmap, and in this case, I'm going to use high quality image. It does it that fast. Now, if I did not use it smaller, it would have taken quite a bit longer. Now you can see the image is really garbage, but if we go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, we can grab that white and delete it and just kind of look around. Now, let me get rid of the yellow box. Don't need any more. I think we've already ungrouped it, and it is. So now we can use the boundary tool. And it's putting a boundary around it. Well, let me back up here. Let me get rid of the yellow. And I'm going to see how big this thing is. It's just 1.6 inches. Oh, that's what it was. I moved my boundary too far out. So I'm going to select it all. I'm going to use the boundary tool. And then I'm going to move the boundary out of the way. Now, if you don't want the cut line right on the item, you can go to Effects and Contour, and we'll contour just like 0.02 to the outside. Go up to Object, Break Contour Apart, grab the outside, make sure it's a hairline. And it is, but I'd also change it to red if you're going to cut this out. And then move that boundary over, and now you have a little bit of a lip around it. Now, if you're going to print this, your original image is much better than this. So I'm going to make a second video on how to get that image into this boundary. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.